Before we dive in, make sure your game is up to date and that you have Steam installed. This will ensure a smooth modding process. Next, let's find the right mods. Popular sources include Nexus mods and the Bannerlord modding community. Here you can explore various player-created content. To download a mod, simply navigate to your chosen site, select the mod you want, and hit the download button. Ensure you read the mod's description for any installation notes. For manual installation, you'll need to locate your Bannerlord game folder. It's typically found in your Steam library. Place the downloaded mod files into the modules folder. For a more streamlined experience, consider using a mod manager like Vortex or the Bannerlord mod manager. These tools simplify the installation process. Once your mods are installed, launch Bannerlord and navigate to the mod menu. Here, you can activate or deactivate any mods you want to use. If you encounter issues during installation, check for common problems like file conflicts or outdated mods. The mods page often has a FAQ section for additional help. For the best experience, ensure your mods are compatible with each other. Read the mod descriptions for compatibility notes and keep performance optimization in mind. And there you have it. You're ready to enjoy your modded Bannerlord experience. Dive into the action and explore all the creative possibilities mods have to offer.